1. Event identification. In April 2025, U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent stated, "The U.S. will have substantial clarity on tariff policy within the next 90 days." This reflects the Trump administration's effort to stabilize confidence amid economic turmoil. China has indicated that future U.S. China trade negotiations will formally address the Taiwan issue, indicating that tariffs have evolved into a strategic pivot between the U.S. and China. The next 90 days could mark a starting point for structured engagements. 2. Motive deconstruction. This management of fiscal policy involves three forces. 1. U.S. Treasury. Bessent aims to alleviate market anxiety, offering manageable uncertainty. 2. Chinese strategic system, including Taiwan in trade talks, counters the U.S.'s economic framing. 3. White House dynamics. The Treasury Secretary's comments suggest attempts to restore institutional rhythm. 3. Structural insight. The 90-day tariff window reflects three structural logics: dimension, Trump logic; Bessent signal, China counter logic; governance rhythm, emotion-driven, time anchoring; long-term, structural, policy structure, media-dominated, professional voice, geopolitical, dialogue model, unilateral, conditional negotiation, symmetric. This is a contest over who shapes future definitions. 4. Key variables. The outcome of these 90 days hinges on 6 high-risk variables. 1. Trump's endorsement of Bessent's remarks. 2. Formal inclusion of Taiwan in negotiations. 3. Market interpretation of clarity. 4. Domestic inflation forcing concessions. 5. Establishing U.S. China communication channels. 6. Congressional checks on tariff powers. 5. Trend projection. Short term to 3 months. Bessent seeks to stabilize the market. China observes while preparing on Taiwan. Medium term, 3 to 6 months. Formal linkage of Taiwan to economic talks could disrupt U.S. negotiation strategies. Long term, 6 to 12 months. 2 trends will emerge. Within the U.S., a failure of institutional balance, and between the U.S. and China, a shift from price negotiation to civilizational competition. This will redefine the discourse beyond tariffs. Lumen summary. Bessent's 90 days represent institutional survival, while China's approach serves as a structural counter. Key points. Bessent aims to create structure amidst chaos. China uses issue embedding to disrupt existing structures. Trump leverages uncertainty for power. This signals a reconstruction of power through language rather than a simple tariff countdown.